Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Epco. This is their part number G04-C, what they call a ratchet lock. Sliding glass wood door ratchet lock. I would call this a showcase lock. That's how I would know this. Very typically and commonly seen in retail applications where you need to simply keep two sliding pieces of glass together before, after hours, controlling inventory. Also where I've seen this is in reception areas of doctors' offices and dentists, places like that. And really what happens here is, you've seen them, it's just, you're going to have one piece connected, this piece connected to one piece of glass, and that will slide back and forth. Well, what's going to happen is it's going to prevent, when you add the lock body to the assembly, and you ratchet that, over, it's going to prevent you from sliding, because the lock body is literally making itself as an obstacle. Let's grab that. And it's fundamentally a very simple piece of equipment is what it is. These are available in different varieties, different variations on a theme. Some will look a little bit differently, a little more modern. They'll have a different type of key that they'll accept. I've seen tubular style, but in essence, it's very simply the rack, so to speak. You loosen that threaded knurled nut that's there. This is going to be appropriate for something that's 1/4 inch thick, which is very typical for a piece of glass. Piece of tempered glass that you might use in this type of application. Okay, piece of 1/4 inch, tighten that down with the thumb screw. Obviously it's going to work for any hand regardless of what side of the opening you place this on, and then of course it's just going to be a matter of sliding your lock down onto it. Yeah. Okay, that's all there is to it. Very typical, very common. Let's switch now to the screen view, and let's take a closer look at all the supporting information. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, let's take a look at the extended description for the G04-C sliding door lock. Bright chrome, that's going to be a reference to pretty much the entire lock itself. It is ratcheting, you get the idea in terms of how that works. 1/4 inch sliding glass or wood doors. Overlaps, 3/4 inch to 3 3/8. What you're going to want to make sure there is that the overlap that you have, say that these are your sliding glass, pieces of glass, you're going to want to make sure that your ratchet bar is long enough to get from whatever your overlap is. You need to be able to make sure that you can fit your lock on there. So 3/8 to 3 3/4 to 3 3/8, tighten with thumb screw, 4 keyings available. I don't see how the factory gives us guidance in terms of how to order that, but you could, if you had multiple sliding showcase openings, or if you had some existing that are from Epco, you could indicate, let's say you needed 2 of them keyed alike, and then you needed another 2 keyed alike but different from the first group, etc. There would be a total of 4 groups that you could create based on 4 keyings or biddings available. Prices per each. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. There's factory images here that we can take a look at. Speaking of images, we have some here that we can look at. There's the item in its packaging. Just different views or perspectives. Obviously 140 is going to be your indirect code for the bitting of that. There should be a total of 4 of those codes on the face of the cylinders. The backside, close-up of the nylon tip that holds that front screw in. A little closer view. 2 keys. That's what would be called that's a double-sided key, meaning it will work regardless of what side is pointed towards the top. The cut is just literally duplicated on both sides. And the milling on the key blank itself is symmetrical from either end. Okay, there's a link to the catalog. That's just a link to the entire product catalog. And by the time you're seeing this, hopefully there'll be an individual cut sheet here. There isn't currently, but let's click on the link here to the manufacturer's page where we can pull up the product catalog. This is a showcase lock. Glass door hardware would be my guess in terms of where this is. Yeah, I don't see it. Let's take a look. There's an index in the back. So this is a G04, page 56. There we go. There's your G04. Plunger style lock or spring activated lock here. That would be appropriate for wood applications. Your G04. Another style, also appropriate for sliding glass applications. Does require some preparation in your glass, however. The one advantage of showcase, well, a couple advantages of showcase locks, they're really inexpensive, number one. Number two, they don't require any preparation of the glass in order to use them immediately. So if you've got a sliding glass application and you need to have some basic security over it, the G04 would be the idea. Ratchet lock, sliding 1/4-inch glass or wood, overlaps as said earlier, thumb screw, 4 keyings available. The rest of this catalog is full of other items in the builder's hardware catalog. Handles and knobs and sliding door track and shelf supports, coat and hat hooks, things of that nature. Literally builder's hardware that you come in contact either direct or indirect on a daily basis. So I would encourage you to review this catalog. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Now, the name Epco is quite synonymous with all that builder's hardware that you saw earlier. Odds and ends, really, but odds and ends that end up getting shoehorned into basically every job that you'll end up doing. The advantage of Epco over others, and you can buy showcase locks from lots of different people. They're simple, they're no nonsense, they're straightforward, they're predictable, reliable, dependable. Their lead times are incredibly short. They do have a minimum order, so if your order doesn't exceed their minimum, we wouldn't be able to drop ship it for you, but we can bring it into our location on our weekly or bi-weekly stock order that we send, and then get the material sent off to you. Any questions on the G04 in a chrome finish? It's the only finish that's available from them, from Epco. There's probably other people who have a brass type color as well. Any questions on this or anything else that Epco provides, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.